Hi, I'm Jonny, and today we're talking about the totally wicked Arc Mini. The Arc Mini is one of the earlier iterations in the renowned Arc family and typifies the range's reputation for expert simplicity and reliability. This compact starter kit is powered by a 1050 mAh integrated battery and is recharged at the base of the device using the USB lead provided. It's turned on and off easily with 5 quick clicks, and current wattage is clearly shown on the kit's LED screen on the top of the battery. There are 7 colour options available, from more refined finishes like black or silver to more extravagant designs like dazzling and crackle. Kitted with the Arc Mini is the CS Micro tank. The tank is filled at the bottom, which dramatically reduces the threat of leaks. As the name suggests, the CS Micro tank uses the best-selling CS range of atomizer heads, which have an acclaimed reputation. The CS 1.5 ohm atomizer head comes fitted to provide outstanding flavour at low to moderate powers. The Arc Mini is the perfect e-cig for new vapers and smokers looking to make the switch to vaping. From its small form factor and selection of finishes to its variable functionality and class-leading atomizer head, this device really is one of the most well-rounded starter kits on the market.